Hi everyone, sorry for the dirty mouse pad. So, I'm trying to make it so that the letter A and the one exclamation point is invisible. And in doing so, I have two test samples here. And instead of being sunk, like they were before, they're raised. So I've made Braille, but not Braille. I just have to dial in the amount of ink it's putting down for that. And I can sort of show you durability tests. I don't have the strongest fingernail. I cut my fingernails earlier today. Shoot. Let's see. So I can press in on the clear, because the clear is technically a soft varnish. But, like, I guess I can scratch it. And even that actually didn't leave that much of a mark. I wish I had more fingernail. Oh, that one I have. Okay, this one I have a little bit of fingernail. Yeah, I would say, that's pretty dang durable. I don't know about, like, over, I don't know, 3 or 4 years of you, like, scratching at it with your fingernail. And it's raised, but, this stuff seems pretty durable. I will get this to where it's not raised. And the whole point is, can you see? Hold on. You might, yes, you can. You can sort of see the shadow of that A. You can see through that A. You can absolutely see through that A. So, the point is, RGB will shine through that, and because the black top coating here is just thin enough, and I might thin it down even more, you can't see it from this side because it's like a one-way mirror, but the RGB lighting coming through the bottom should light it up. And then I can put a colored clear over it and do the only step for my Runelight keycaps then would be make these and then color clear them. And I would color clear them in the varnish that I'm using for the fill-in of that A. Anywho, this is Marshall at Scree LLC. I know I have PCB orders that I'm getting done and keyboard orders that I'm getting done, and I'm behind, but I took just a moment of my day to have a little fun. I've been working all day and got these working. Have a wonderful day, and these will be available. I don't know if there's interest. I hope. Am I doing things that are interesting for you guys? I hope so. Talk to y'all later. Bye.